Please click on the subscribe button for more videos and the bell icon for the notification.
Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Gopal and this is Speed Freaks DIY. So as you have seen in my previous video, the unboxing of the portable car washer. Now today I'm going to show you how to connect it and a demo of it.
So let's see what we have here. We have this on off button here. We have the connection for the power cable, and we have the outlet pipe joint here. So we need to connect the pipe here. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay guys, so we have this washer here. We have this power cable, and we have this 6-meter pipe. Alright, so first what we need to do is we need to connect this pipe to this outlet here. We need to remove this safety cap and then just push this pipe here and it gets locked. Alright, and after that we have this spray gun. We need to connect this to the other end of the pipe. It's the same kind of socket on both the ends, so you can use it anyways. Alright, once you connect that, that's done for the pipe. And for the power, you need to connect this 2-pin socket onto the washer here. So this is how you connect it. Alright, so actually this is the cigarette lighter socket which fits in your car cigarette lighter socket provision given to you. But what I have done, as I'm going to use it for my bikes, I have connected 2 wires, one to the positive terminal and one to the negative terminal, and I'm going to take connection directly from the battery while washing it. If you're using the power from your bike's battery, make sure your bike is on, or else your battery would drain faster because your bike battery is smaller, and consuming power from it without starting the bike will drain the battery. Alright, so now let's go down and see how it performs.
Alright guys, so now we are at the parking, and as you can see the gun, if you loosen it, it gives you the powerful stream for hard dirt or the areas where you can't reach, and if you tighten it you get this spray so that you could spray your bike properly wherever needed. And if you loosen it, you get that powerful stream and use it on the dirt or wheel arches. As you can see, I'm spraying it on my wheel and the dirt is really coming off nicely. It's not powerful as you have in the washing centers, but it does the job pretty well. Usually it's very tiring to clean the wheel completely with the hand if you wash it at home, but if you use this washer it will definitely be useful. And as it doesn't cost much, usually it costs me around 100 rupees to wash the bike, because 70 rupees for washing and 30 rupees for the fuel, because the good washing center is really far from my house. And this will definitely save a lot of money and time as well, because if you go to the washing center there is a queue most of the time and it takes around 1 or 2 hours, and if you wash it at home, I guess it should be like half an hour, 45 minutes to wash the bike. And as washing the bike yourself is definitely better than washing at washing centers. Now you can see there is a dried bird dropping on the fairing, and it removed it very nicely. as you can see, there are areas where you cannot reach by hand and cloth. You can use this powerful stream to reach in those areas. Usually the radiator and all, you can use it to clean the radiator and the areas which are hidden behind the panel or the side fairing, and below the bike as well. As you can see in the video, it does the job pretty well. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please mention in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.